modified bicycle crunch. So we're gonna cross the body, but we're always gonna come back to the ground with one foot. So we're gonna roll back, hands go behind your head, elbows out, chin away from your chest, and we're gonna cross our left knee towards our right elbow, and then we're gonna put that left foot down, and then we're gonna cross our right knee towards our left elbow, and then put that down. Left knee, right elbow, right knee, left elbow. That's 4, 5, 6, squeeze to that midline, 7, leave some space between your chin and your chest, 8, 9, try to lift your shoulders, 10, 11, last one, 12. Excellent work.